Kelly, and I am back with a special video today because today we are celebrating Ginger and her 1,000 subscribers. I just love Ginger. I just think she is a blessing to this community, and so giving and caring and supportive, and just we've become friends, and I just really love her already. And I've never even met her face to face, but we will someday, Miss Ginger. So anyway, I wanted to show you, in order to celebrate, she sent us gifts. I mean, like, we should be sending her gifts, right? And she sent us a little packet of some goodies that she created for us based on 3 questions. She asked the participants in this hop what our favorite color was, what our favorite season, and do we like tags or tabs. And my answers were coral is my favorite color right now. I go through stages. Right now it's coral. My favorite season is spring, and I prefer tabs over tags. So let's just go through this little goodie, that bag that she sent me. Isn't this cute? It's like a little envelope that she created using just scraps. That's another thing I love about her. She's the queen of using scraps. Like, she'll use them down to the very last little thing, and I love that about her, and has so many good ideas. So of course, her link will be down below. Be sure to check out Ginger. She truly is just a delight, and I love her laugh. She makes me in a good mood just listening to her. Okay, so without further ado, let's go through what she sent me, and I'm going to be using some of these things to create a layout. I just love this little pocket idea, and it says all the things. So cute. And it's in my favorite colors. At this one, it's a tab that says together, another tab with a little flower that has been punched that says wonderful. I'm already loving this. And this little banner piece says spring. It's attached to the card. Isn't that adorable? Can you see? It's hard to tell if you could see what I'm seeing. And then that was just attached on here. I guess I wouldn't slide around. So cute. Oh my goodness. I don't know if Ginger knows how much I love the bird elements, but there's a little birdie, and he is adorable. Oh my goodness. How stinking cute is this? A little gnome and a little bird with a water fountain and tiny, tiny little flowers. How did you even get that on there? Like, my big old fingers won't do anything that delicate. Isn't that adorable? Love this. And then a tag with a little gnome that says beauty. She's amazing. The ideas she comes up with to use just her scraps. Let's lay these out here. And a bicycle. So cute. I have photos of my granddaughter. I don't think the colors are, I could do it in black and white. Riding a bicycle, that's an idea. And another water fountain. And look at all these little word strips that she stamped. That is fun. Oh, here's another tag. I've got the word tab on my brain. It's so cute. And let's see what we got. Unforgettable. I won't go through all of these, but this is the first time I'm opening this, so I want to say cheese, enjoy the journey. Fun ideas. And look how she used all her scraps. Awesome ideas. Just make your own word strips. Instead of throwing all those little scraps away, that's a great idea. I throw those away all the time. I need to take a cue. And then all these little tiny things. There's more birds, more of those tiny little pearls, more tabs, more gnomes that I can color myself or leave like this, and all the flowers. Isn't this fun? have plenty here. Oh, and she even gave me some of the enamel dots. And aren't these cute? I can't remember the collection, but I think I have, it's a farmhouse. Spring farmhouse or something like that. I love the flowers. This is going to be fun to use. So look at how tiny those are. I'm going to have to get my tweezers out or something. Okay, there we go. Got them back in the bag. So lots of fun goodies to use. Lots of birds, which are my fave. And flowers, my other fave. Okay, and then this, more tabs. So I have a plethora of items to use, and I am going to go ahead and get started and create a layout. So I went ahead and pulled some things that I would be using for this layout, and going with Ginger's whole let's use our scraps theme. With all the embellishments she created, I went over to my scrap stash, which I sort by color, and pulled a few things that I think are a few pieces of paper that I think I might use, which I won't use all of these, but I wanted to give myself options, and I'll use those for layering or whatever. I'm not sure what exactly all I will use it for. I just found some coordinating papers. And then I pulled this photo, which was this April with my family and my niece and nephews and sisters. So that was after church, and we went over to my niece's house to have dinner or lunch. So anyway, this is what I am going to use, and I pulled out a few tools. I'm going to probably use my scallop edge, and I'm feeling like I want to round these corners because I know this is going to be my base. That's my idea, and go from there. used a whole lot of the things that Miss Ginger sent me. I still have enough to do probably another couple of layouts. But I have to say, this was so fun to put together. I really love how it turned out. I really do. I love the little scene I've created down here, even though nobody's riding a bike in this picture. And when I originally, the longest thing about this whole layout was finding the right picture. I was being a little bit too literal, like I was looking for a picture of my granddaughter riding her bike, or one of my kids, you know, one of the kids riding their bike. And you don't always have to be so literal. This is just a cute little spring scene down here, and I just think it turned out really cute. I love the little gnome, I love the birds, I love everything about this, and it all came together so easy, which sometimes easy is great. Especially with the kind of weeks that I've been having here at the end of school, and I say weeks plural because it's been a crazy few weeks. So anyway, I'm really happy with this layout, and I'm just so happy for Miss Ginger meeting her 1,000 subscriber goal, and know that she has many, many more subscribers on the way. They just haven't found her yet, because once they find her, they're gonna love her and stay there forever and ever with her. So that is the end of this layout, and I will have some close-ups coming right after the ending. So have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.